This is the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Escape in an SE trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. To the left, you have a 12-volt power outlet, and underneath the cargo floor, you have your spare with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 60,669 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, your now playing, phone controls, further vehicle information, and your trip information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your hazards, and your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you've got this tray area with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there too. And then your main shifter on a dial, very convenient, easy to use. 2 cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, auto start stop shut off, and drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then last but not least, you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.